Okay, welcome back to a brand new video. My name's Ollie. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. That's something I don't usually do. I'm just going to go over to my neighbours and grab the 6 loaves of bread we've just broken up, and we're going to feed the seagulls, and it's going to be Seagull Manica. Seagull madness. You're going to enjoy it. Let's go.
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
We're going to be feeding seagulls.
I hope it helped.
Oh, it's going to be crazy. They're going to be everywhere.
And I'm sorry.
Say hi.
Hi.
You're on YouTube now.
Hi.
Where are you going today?
Oh, there's the camera.
Seagull madness. Here we go.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Actually, this is pretty cool. I like this.
What's one thing, mate?
Yeah, this camera's amazing though.
And it's gorgeous.
Yeah, it does a good job.
You've got to just look for one.
Yeah, you just got them for one.
And then the rest are called out.
I can do anything with it. And I had to turn the camera around.
Where's the seagulls?
I don't know, but you have to wait for them to fly back over, I suppose.
Don't do that. Gracie.
Crazy, that's just
Throw it.
off in one fire.
Throw it, Gracie.
You've got to throw it.
Like this.
That's it, chuck at each other.
Yeah, I already threw some, but it took me for
Give him back, Grace. Give him back.
Don't eat it.
I just had one piece.
Go on, chuck it at him. Give him, Grace. Chuck it at Oliver.
Red fight. I don't even have any red left. Gracie, someone in my shoe.
Oh, here, you're making cheese on toast. Grace is making cheese on toast, Lisa.
Oh,
Hey, want a
Go,
team
Liz.
here?
oh, Gracie.
Gracie.
Where's the seagulls?
I hear them, but I don't see them. I want one.
We've done all this. There's no
It's been on
seagulls.
the grass.
Food fight.
So we're going down there. Nice. And the fact that on Friday she strangled me. Ollie!
Food fight.
No! 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 Guys, get out!
On the camera.
Well, then don't food fight. Simple. Why did that hurt?
Oh.
Crazy?
It's in your hair. Oh no.
Can't get off the skate.
I think I broke my nose here.
Ah!
Shit. Yeah.
You know how many...
Oh.
You're big!
Oh shit.
What is something that you love? Oh crap! It's in your hair! No.
Gee, can I get you?
No.
Look.
You can. You give me if you want, but I'm getting you first.
Quick! No! Look, I'm saving.
Oliver.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh no, you can't all gang off of me. Oh, you didn't have any in your hands. Shit. Oh, he's proper launching that.
Ollie, you're lucky I've got breath!
Ah. Is that all right?
I'm not doing it anymore now. We're going to quit.
Call his mates, quick!
Because he'll go near it.
Where is he?
Ollie, Ollie, no, come here.
Yes!
Be back.
Is it recording?
Yeah, there's two.
Yeah.
They're lucky.
Let's go and go. There's loads coming.
Yeah, I'm just going to see them. I'm just going to get 5.
5, yeah.
Well, they'll have to start calling out.
How much was this?
The,
There's
oh,
1, 6,
How much?
7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
there's going to be more.
yeah.
13, 14,
One went.
15, 16, 17.
Right in the right time. We must have known.
Allowed to eat it.
Oh! Oh! I've got to do it.
Here comes the noisy one. Oh, he's big. You must have known, dude.
We deliberately went back out and just in time before they landed, obviously. Ollie, show the camera. Hello. How are you? I am under the water.
Under the water, under the sea. Hot dogs. Hot
They're
dogs.
not hot dogs, they're bruised ones.
Hot dogs.
Oh, they're bruised. Oh, my God, had a moldy hot dogs. Amy's had a bite of it.
RG, don't ever get any salad stuff at the gallon.
no.
No, I cut into a lettuce, yeah, it was black inside.
Oh.
Disgusting, mate. Disgusting.
They'll not be noisy, are they?
Moldy a day after, one day after.
They're not even being noisy. They're just eating.
They're like,
Yeah, Ollie, I think they're really hungry.
No, I think they're thirsty.
when's that supper roast dinner?
Should we get a bowl of water for them?
There's 21.
That is
22.
22.
Guys, I counted 22 seagulls.
Bloody look.
I'm sure they counted as well, Grace.
No, but we all ganged out on Ollie.
We haven't seen that bit. They're on the car.
Still eating, they're like, yeah, right.
They're on the car.